Hello everyone, this is your soul healer Disha Sachdeva, and today on this beautiful occasion of New Moon Day, we are going to talk about moon and manifestation. It would be really great if you all can open your videos because I can see you all. Otherwise, and it gives me more happiness to see beautiful, happy faces. But yeah, that's okay. So yes, guys. So what is moon? Thank you for opening your video. So let's talk about manifestation with moon. Everybody is okay with Hindi and English, right? Thank you, dear, for opening your video. So, okay, so everybody is okay with Hindi and English, right? So what?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes. So what exact? Only English. Okay, Amal is saying only English. Okay. Okay.
Both Hindi and English.
Both Hindi and English. Okay, guys. I'll try to stick to Hindi and English, and let's see if you're not understanding Hindi, you can ask me whatever. Okay. So guys, let's understand. Hi guys. Hi Isha. Hi. Such a long time. After such a long time, I'm seeing you. Yeah. Okay, guys. So let's talk about moon and manifestation. What is moon and what is manifestation? We have all heard about so many things related to moon ki full moon ye hota hai, new moon ye hota hai, but what is exactly happening with moon phase? Can I ask you all to mute your videos? Just 1 second. Mute all का option कहाँ आता है? Yeah. So yes, guys. So full moon, new moon. There's a lot of confusion about what is full moon, what is new moon, and what is today. How do we manifest with moon? Moon के साथ release करना है या manifestation करना है? बहुत सारे questions होते हैं. So today I'm going to answer all your questions. And if you have any questions, whatever I'm explaining, please बीच में आप you can raise your hands, you can ask me questions, and it will help others also to to answer your questions. So first of all, ओके इतने सारे लोग आ रहे हैं या ओके सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मून रिप्रेजेंट्स आवर इमोशंस जो हमारे इमोशंस होते हैं हमारी जो एक इमोशनल बॉडी होती है एक फिजिकल मेंटल बॉडी होती है राइट सो इमोशनल बॉडी इज आवर मून सो वेर एवर योर मून इज प्लेस्ड इन योर सोल ब्लूप्रिंट इन योर horoscope in janam patri moon represents our emotions and moon also represents our past life so अगर आप अपना horoscope या whatever आप देखते हैं soul blueprint देखते हैं तो उसमें आप एक साइन होता है एक साइन जैसे सन वैसे ही एक मून साइन गाइस कैन यू प्लीज म्यूट yours because it's a lot of mute all yeah, I've muted you all. If you want to ask something, you can just raise your hands and I'll unmute you. So, hi, Pradhuman. Hi. So, guys, a moon represents your emotions. Emotions. So, when we look at the moon in our charts, we understand कि यार ये मेरा emotion क्या है मेरा past lifetime जो past emotions होते हैं कुछ strong emotions होते हैं कुछ weak emotions होते हैं exactly in the same way moon represents our emotions. Now it represents collective emotions. So जब full moon day होता है या new moon day होता है उससे थोड़ा सा पहले you will see that you will have a lot of emotions. Sometimes you will be very happy, you'll have very strong emotions, and sometimes you will see ki, oh my god, there's a lot of fear, a lot of self doubt which is showing up. So you have to understand moon will always affect your emotions. Now let's understand what is full moon and what is a new moon. Life starts with new moon. New moon means जब sun के equal alignment में moon होता है. New moon means it's a beginning. जब हम स्काई में बात करते हैं न्यू मून की दैट मीन्स मून है छोटा सा मून की शुरुआत हुई है राइट एग्जैक्टली इन द सेम वे न्यू मून इज अबाउट आई एम जस्ट एडमिटिंग पीपल या सो मून की जब शुरुआत होती है हमारी लाइफ की जब शुरुआत होती है हमारे इमोशंस की जब शुरुआत होती है वी मैनिफेस्ट थिंग्स वी प्लांट अ सीड विद न्यू मून नाउ यू कैन प्लांट एन इमोशन यू कैन प्लांट what is manifestation? Manifestation starts with new moon. You can plant कुछ भी, आप अपने कुछ emotions manifest कर सकते हो. You can manifest a physical thing in your life. You can manifest money. You can manifest a relationship. Anything. It starts with new moon. जब new moon energies होती हैं, so today is a new moon. Today is a day of manifestation. Now you have to understand new moon is for manifestation, and exactly 15 days बाद full moon हो जाता है. Full moon is completion. कि यार अभी वट एवर आई वॉन्टेड टू मैनिफेस्ट वो कंप्लीट हो गया. नाउ फुल मून पे व्हाट वी डू, वी रिलीज द ब्लॉक्स. सो फॉर 1 मंथ 28 डेज लूनर साइकिल, मून साइकिल चलता है. न्यू मून से शुरू होता है, स्टार्टिंग होता है दैट वी आर प्लांटिंग अ सीड, राइट, for manifesting. Sorry, ma'am, I am not Indian, so I don't understand. Okay, I am speaking in English. Okay, so you have to understand that new moon is manifestation, starting of a cycle, right? We are planting a seed. New moon means total darkness in the sky, that the moon is very very small. Okay, and when the moon is very very small and it is growing like small small small, you see all the phases of the moon. And from full moon, full moon is the day of completion where the moon is full. Exactly in the same way, when there is small moon, we plant small seeds of our goals, of our dreams into that moon, right? And as the moon grows to the full moon, our dreams also grow. So when there is the night of the full moon, your dream has actually become real in the etheric world, in the spiritual world. Now your job, what is your job? Your job is from that day of full moon to the day of new moon, your job is to release all the doubts and release the blocks, release the fears. So when there is a full moon, guys, you are understanding what I'm trying to say. When there is a, please, if you have any questions, please ask me. When there is a full moon, you will not manifest, you will release your doubts. And when there is a new moon, what you will do, you will manifest, you will not release anything. So for example, today is the full moon day and you want to start something. Okay, I want to start a good healthy diet, I want to start gymming, I want to start manifesting a good body, a good boyfriend, a good relationship, good money, maybe anything. You can manifest that, but you cannot end something today. Okay, I want to release a bad relationship, I want to release maybe anything from your life. You cannot release that, because releasing will happen. It is the let go of our fears and blocks. Yes, the fears, the letting go will help, will start on the new on the full moon day after 15 days. Guys, you're understanding. So today I want you to look at every area, every aspect of your life, and look at what is it that you want to sow that intention in your health. What is it that you want to sow for your health? What do you want to manifest for your health? What do you want to manifest with your money? What is it that you want to manifest for your relationships? What do you want to manifest for your work? Write it down, guys, today. And today is a very potent energy. One more thing I want to talk about manifestation is when there is new moon, when there is full moon, moon energy, your soul will send a lot of new people, new energies in your life. For example, during new moon, during full moon, a lot of new people will enter your life, a lot of new energies will also enter your life. Now don't reject them. If agar new moon ke aspas somebody is saying ki let's go for a movie or something, some random person is coming and gifting you something, just accept that. Don't say no, and see what is the gift here, because new moon is always going to give you new gifts. Okay, guys, so you have to understand that whoever people, whoever opportunities, and sometimes things will show up in your life during the day of the new moon ki, oh my god, what is this? Yeah, this feels like a chaos. But don't reject it. Go and explore that what is it, what is in store for me. And you have to understand, during full moon, a week before full moon, what happens is your a lot of suppressed emotions will start coming up. Uh, you will feel fear, you will feel doubt, you will feel angry, you will feel frustrated. Whatever your suppressed emotion is, you will see that pent up emotion coming up. So from the day of the full moon till the day of the again new moon, what you will do, you will release that. Now, guys, you have to understand, why does this happen? That why am I feeling these emotions? Why do I feel such emotions? Any emotion coming on surface is your soul telling you that you have to release this emotion. You have to release this emotion. Right? You have to understand that these emotions are not coming to trouble you. कोई भी इमोशन आपकी लाइफ में अगर आ रहा है सरफेस पे, देर आर नॉट योर एनिमीज, योर इमोशंस आर नॉट योर एनिमीज, योर इमोशंस आर शोइंग अप बिकॉज दीज इमोशंस आर, हाय ज्योति जी, हाय, these emotions are, these emotions are here to teach you a lot of things. What is this writing? Only English. Just one second, I'm just reading the messages also. Entities activity relating to the, yes, so entities are also very much active during the full moon and the new moon times, because entities are full of emotions. I mean, entities is a very different topic. We are not going to cover a lot of things about entities, but entities are full of emotions, and during new moons our emotions also get very highlighted कि यार अगर new moon है उससे एक हफ्ता पहले my emotion will feel, I will feel very much emotion, and then my sleep cycle will be affected. I can eat, emotional eating हो सकता है, किसी को कुछ हो सकता है, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. All these things are your body telling you that you want to reset something. So if you are not getting sleep, if you're feeling very much emotional कि fear आ रहा है, anger आ रहा है, किसी भी तरीके का self doubt आ रहा है, you have to ask yourself, start journaling and start asking, what is it that I am fearful about. So guys, there are different crystals also which you should use for the moon energy. One is a very beautiful crystal of selenite. This is a very beautiful crystal. Then you can also use rose quartz crystal for manifestation and releasing. Then you can use rose quartz, sorry, this was a clear quartz crystal. Then this is a rose quartz, and these are this is an amethyst as well. There are different crystals. If you want, you can talk to me about crystals, or you can buy it from anywhere. Just use a lot of crystals, because what these crystals do, it gives the, pulls the energy of the moon goddess, and it helps you to manifest or release your fears a lot with these crystals. Now guys, I want you to do a small exercise. Think of maybe one or two areas of your life which you want to manifest today. Let's do that manifestation exercise today. What is it that you want to manifest? Close your eyes, everyone, and think of all the things you want to manifest, whether it's your money, whether it's your health, and if you want to manifest for your near and dear ones, you can do that as well. So close your eyes, everyone, and think of that one goal or two goals or three goals, whatever you want. Okay? Whether you want a lot of money, good health, good relations with your husband, your wife, or you want to manifest a new relationship, or you want to manifest money, or you want to manifest anything. Just think about that कि क्या आज आपको manifest करना है अपनी life, है ना? And then open your eyes. Now I want you to ask yourself, what is that one big doubt inside me which does not allow me to take action or to manifest this? If anybody wants to share, they can share as well. What is that one big doubt inside me? क्या ऐसा डाउट है, क्या ऐसा फियर है जो मेरे को ये चीज मैनिफेस्ट नहीं करने दे रहा है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई वांट फेलियर, फियर ऑफ फेलियर. ओके, थैंक यू फॉर शेयरिंग. So okay, so everywhere we are all scared to be failing, because we have failure. Can we delete that? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, all 100 shots, voice over basic stations. I'm just doing random clearings. Doubt on the universe. So okay, so guys, so many times we are doubting ourselves, so many times we are doubting the universe. So everywhere we are doubting ourselves, everywhere we are doubting the universe, everywhere we are thinking that we will fail. Why should we even take a step forward? Can we, in this very moment, all of us delete that? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, all 100 shots, voice forward, basis creation, and prior experience. So guys, are you ready to release yourself from all of, I feel my heart is blocked. Okay. So guys, do you have a paper with you all, a separate paper? I don't want you to write it in the copy because we are going to release certain negative energies. So I want you to take a piece of paper, extra paper, and write all your fears today. Because today we are going to release every doubt. So whether you have a doubt ki universe will not help you, whether you have a doubt that how can you manifest, whether you have past experiences, so many times because we are scared कि fail हो जाएंगे, हम actions ही नहीं लेते हैं. We don't take the actions because we think that fail हो जाएंगे. So it's a conclusion, guys. आप conclusion based चल रहे हो ना कि यार ये तो conclusion हो गया है, मैंने पहले से ही decide कर लिया, assume कर लिया. For example, if my phone, I have already decided ये तो खराब है, this phone will not work. So even before I will put my phone and take my phone to dial, I have already decided कि यार network नहीं है, मेरा phone खराब. So what will I do? अगर मुझे किसी से बात करनी है, I will not use my phone. I will go and ask phone from somebody else. But क्या पता मेरा phone ठीक हो. तो ऐसे ही लाइफ में so many conclusions हमारी लाइफ में हमारे दिमाग में चल रहे हैं कि यार फेल हो जाएंगे, nobody will help me, सब खत्म ही होना है, पैसा तो कभी आएगा ही नहीं है, हेल्थ तो कभी आएगी ही नहीं, सब गलत है. क्या क्या हमने कंक्लूड कर रखा है. राइट इट डाउन गाइस. मे बी इन योर रिलेशनशिप्स यू हैव कंक्लूडेड दैट यू विल नेवर गेट दैट लव, that you will never receive good happy relations from your husband, from your wife, from whatever. And in money also, what is your conclusion? Ki I will fail, I will never have more money, I will never have more love. And in your health, I will never be fine. I will never have a good health. In my work, what have you already decided? Guys, you have to ask yourself, what is it that you have already decided? What is the conclusion? So whatever you want to manifest, अभी ये supposingly आपको 1 करोड़ रुपए manifest करने हैं. You want to manifest 1 crore rupees. Money is hard to get. So this is a conclusion, right? Smita. So this is a conclusion. For example, you want to manifest 1 crore rupees or whatever. I'm just giving you an example. And if your conclusion is that money is hard to get, will you ever get that 1 crore rupees? नहीं, क्योंकि हम एक्शन ही नहीं लेंगे. अगर हमने ये सोच ही लिया है कि यार पैसा तो बहुत मुश्किल से मिलेगा, मनी इज वेरी हार्ड टू गेट, तो 1 करोड़ रुपए के लिए 1 रुपए का भी मेहनत करेंगे? नहीं करेंगे जी, मिलना ही नहीं है, क्योंकि हमारे दिमाग में पहले ही फीड हो गया है. तो मैंने अपने सॉफ्टवेयर में, इस सॉफ्टवेयर में क्या क्या फीड कर रखा है कि ये तो होना ही नहीं है, ऐसे तो होगा ही नहीं, मेरी तो हेल्थ अच्छी नहीं होगी, मेरे को तो वेल्थ नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, व्हाट ऑल कंक्लूजन्स. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी टू रिलीज ऑल द कंक्लूजन्स टुडे? Are you all ready, guys? Yes? Are we really ready? तो अपने conclusions उस पेज पे लिख दो, guys. Whatever your page is. Have you written, everyone? I get money as much whenever I want. Yes, very good. सो अभी हमें वो सारे कंक्लूजन लिखने हैं, वो सारे कंक्लूजन जो हमारे नेगेटिव कंक्लूजन है. फिर हम पॉजिटिव भी लिखेंगे, पहले हम नेगेटिव को हटा देना, फिर वी विल राइट द पॉजिटिव वन. सो नाउ गाइस, एवरीबॉडी हैज रिटन. कैन यू ऑल शो मी द पेपर? हैव यू रिटन? Yes, very good, very good. Now close your eyes. Very good, thank you for showing me. जिन जिन ने नहीं लिखा है, please write it and close your eyes. Hold this paper right in front of you, guys. And now close your eyes. Connect with the energies of moon goddess Luna. Luna is the name of the moon goddess. Connect your energies with the moon goddess Luna. Ask her, thank you, moon goddess, for showing me my emotions. Today, I feel so much of fear that I will not be able to manifest my dreams, my goals. Thank you, moon goddess, for showing me all the... Guys, please mute yourself. Thank you, moon goddess, for showing me all the fears which I'm holding in my hands today. And today, with the power of my soul, I release all these fears. And now imagine right in front of you, all those fears are standing. Maybe failure is standing, your self-doubt is standing, whatever your fears are, they're standing right in front of you. And now burn them. Burn them. And now, with that intensity, tear that paper. Tear that paper, guys. As if you're burning away all your enemies, all your problems. Today, if you have one power, if God is with you, just use the power of the God inside you and burn away every fear, every doubt. Haar do, fake do, and throw it away. And now, think about your manifestation. Think about your goal and that dream which you have. Whatever you want to manifest, your money, your health, your relationships, whatever you want to manifest, think about that dream. Imagine it standing right in front of you. Now imagine it becoming very small, like a seed. छोटा हो रहा है आपका ड्रीम, एक सीड की तरह हो रहा है, छोटा सा. And now imagine that सामने, right in front of you, is land, Mother Earth, that fertile land. And sow that dream, that seed into that land. And pray to the goddess moon, moon goddess, goddess Luna, to nurture this dream of yours. Thank you, moon goddess, goddess Luna, for giving me this dream. Thank you for giving me the strength to nurture and to have this dream. I want you today to nurture my dream for the next 15 days. I want you to nurture my ask, to manifest it into reality. I trust you. And now imagine a lot of light from moon goddess is coming into your dream and it's nurturing it. Imagine that seed becoming a plant and becoming bigger, and it's giving beautiful flowers, red color, white color, yellow colors, whatever color flowers you want to see. And you are watering that plant. And Mother Earth is watering that plant, nurturing that plant. And Moon Goddess is nurturing that. And with that belief, talk to your dream. I am with you. I trust myself. I trust the God inside me to manifest this dream into reality. I trust the moon energy to manifest my dream. I trust Earth to manifest my dream, to nurture my dream. Thank you, Earth, for giving me the soil, the ground, the ability, the earth plane to have my dreams and my asks. Thank you, Moon Goddess, for being with me, for nurturing my dream today. And whatever else you want to talk to your dream, talk to it like you're talking to a beautiful plant which you are blossoming. This is the garden of your dreams, guys. And give it water, give it your love. Take care of it, talk to it. I am going to love you. I'm going to nurture you. I'm going to take care of you every day. I'm going to nurture you. I'm going to water you. My dream, thank you for coming to me. I love you, my dream. I'm going to make you a beautiful big plant. And whatever else you want to talk to your dream, talk to the earth, talk to your dream, talk to Moon Goddess. And when you feel like, you can open your eyes. You can open your eyes, guys. Yeah. So now you have to understand exactly after 15 days, full moon will come. And that will be the day where your dream will come to fulfillment in the spiritual realm, the etheric realm. But उसे actualize करने के लिए 15th day पे there will be a lot of doubts which will come. Full moon day, say 1 week पहले, you have to sit with a diary and you have to see what doubts am I getting, what fears am I getting. Today is 27th, exactly after 15 days. What is the date? I don't remember, but there will come a full moon day. You have to sit 3 days or 4 days before full moon day, and you have to write down all your fears. And on the day of the full moon, what you will do, you will actually burn. You will write everything, and you will. There's a meditation on my YouTube channel about full moon. You can use that meditation, or you can use whatever meditation you want to do. You have to write it down and burn. 12th May. Yes, 12th May is the full moon. Yes, thank you for telling us. So 12th May ko, what you will do, maybe on 11th May or 10th May, start writing, because full moon is a beautiful energy. Before 3 4 days before the full moon, you will start feeling very cranky, you will start feeling very emotional, you will feel frustrated, you will feel all kinds of fear, whatever is ready to release, right? So what we will do, or maybe we will do a session also on 12th May. Let's see. Or if I'm not doing a session, you can use my YouTube video. There's already a full moon video on my YouTube channel. You can use that also. You will write it down, and you will sit with yourself and talk to yourself. Why am I really fearful? Why am I really doubtful? What is logically write it down? Is there a way? Is there a reason, a specific reason? For example, my past experiences were not that good, but does my past has to be my reality or my future? Past को photocopy थोड़ी ना करना है future में. You have to be your own counselor, guys. You have to be your own healer. We healers are there to be there with you. But till the time you stand up for yourself, nobody can help you. जब भी fear आता है, जब भी doubt आता है, you have to stand up and say, क्यों आ रहा है यार? चलो fear आ रहा है, fear का logical explanation क्या है? ऐसा लगता है मैं good enough नहीं हूँ, क्यों नहीं हूँ? चलो मेहनत करते हैं ना, good enough बन जाते हैं. Self love की कमी self love कर लेते हैं. पैसे की कमी कुछ efforts करते हैं पैसे के लिए, है ना? कॉन्फिडेंस की कमी क्लासेस कर लेते हैं या कुछ भी करते हैं जिससे मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस वो हो जाए. जो भी कमी है, अगर नहीं हो रहा है, किसी हीलर पे जाते हैं, साइकेट्रिस्ट, साइकोलॉजिस्ट, 10 जगह आजकल तो इतनी चीजें फ्री में भी अवेलेबल. So on that day of 12th May or 15th day of from today, you will start writing it and release it, burn it. And from that day, every day, what you will do, I release my doubt. I release my doubt. From today, today is the new moon. What affirmations you will do? You will affirm positive affirmations. I believe in my ability to manifest my dream. I believe in my ability to create a beautiful future. I believe in my ability to manifest an amazing whatever. I mean, I'm just giving you examples. You can make your own. I believe in my ability to create a beautiful future. I believe in my ability to create a money. I believe in my ability to create relation, work, whatever. Then I choose to have my beautiful future. I choose to have my dream job, whatever. And on the 15th day, from that day till the new moon day, what you will be saying, the affirmation will be releasing. I release my self-doubt to create this future. I release my fear of having a beautiful future. I release whatever your doubt is, you will affirm that releasing. Okay, guys, getting it? Huh? Okay. So any questions, guys? Anybody wants to ask any questions related to what we talked about today? Okay, no questions. Okay. So, guys, this is about moon. Moon phases, nothing to worry about. Full moon is about manifestation. New moon is about releasing. Is it good day to meditate these days? Yes, it's absolutely good to meditate any day. Meditation, to whenever you want to do, you can do. And from new moon, you can start a new life. Today is a very potent day. Today is new moon in Aries. Now Aries. So okay, you have to also understand जिस zodiac में moon होता है, उस zodiac की energies बहुत potent होती है. Aries is the first sign of the zodiac, right? It's a beginning of a new zodiac cycle. So Aries will give you courage to take those steps which you have never taken. Aries will give you a strength. Aries will give you a lot of power, right? And it is also going to give you a lot of impatience. So you have to be understanding कि positive के साथ negative भी आता है. So whenever you are getting impatient, you have to ask one question to yourself. So for these 15 days, when you are getting impatient, you have to ask, what is the courage which I am not using? What is my strength which I am not using? That is me giving me impatience. Whenever, guys, you are getting impatient for these 15 days, you have to ask, what is my courage which I am not using? What is my unutilized strength? क्योंकि भाई अगर एक रिसोर्स को आप यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हो, if you're not using something, that potential energy, it will fuck it up now for you. So you have to ask yourself, okay, so for these 15 days, use this power which this new moon is giving you, guys. This moon is giving you a new start. Our earth is starting new, and you have that courage, you have that strength inside you to take those bold steps and manifest that future for you. Moon phases: new moon, full moon. Manifest, release. Positive affirmations, negative affirmations. Emotions आएंगे. Every emotion which shows up during full moon or new moon days, it is there telling you, oh, if I'm feeling so much of fear, fear is coming to tell you, bro, you have a lot of suppressed fear. Release it, heal it, and get over that. If doubt is coming, release the doubt. You don't have to get stuck into those emotions, guys. है ना? Any questions before we wind up for today? Okay. Okay, then. Bye, guys. See you. Have a beautiful.
Let's have a picture. Please smile.
Okay.
Yes. Smile, please.
Can I talk to you after this session?
Yeah, yeah. You have clicked the picture?
Yes. Yes.
I have one question.
Yes, 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 yes.
So, say if an emotion is coming up
Yes.
and it is causing like a lot of pain,
Yes.
like it is causing a lot of like, bringing up a lot of sadness and, and there is no way to change it.
Okay. Interesting. Okay. Yes.
In the sense that, say if there's another person
Hmm.
and they are saying things to us which is making us very sad, and we can't change that person because say that person is very old and very fixed in their ways.
Huh.
How do we get to a point where we are not affected by what they're saying?
Okay. Thank you for asking that question, dear. So, firstly, when we come from a pre-assumed notion कि हम उसको change ही नहीं कर सकते, हम ये situation नहीं change कर सकते. I'm not getting against you, but I'm just saying कि आपने जो बोला कि there's no way to change this situation. So आपका brain फिर आपको एक opportunity ही नहीं देगा change करने का. You are understanding? Firstly, everything can be changed, dear. And if you're getting a lot of sadness from somebody is giving you a lot of sadness, maybe that old person, husband, wife, whatever, maybe an elderly person. Firstly, why am I creating this sadness? Everything whichever happens to you, every emotion, every person who's doing something to you, that person is there to give you some kind of information. So if I am feeling sad, firstly, why am I affecting? Is this situation demands me to speak up, open my throat chakra? भाई कोई अगर sadness दिए जा रहा है, are you understanding, dear? Are you here?
Yes.
Yeah. So, for example,
I mean,
yeah. So I was saying कि maybe in this situation somebody is asking questions, and I am just not able to open my throat chakra. है ना? I am not able to reply back कि bro, I don't want to answer your question. This is an irrelevant question or this situation, whatever. You have to take a stand for yourself, right? है ना? And you are not doing. So जब हम बोल नहीं रहे हैं अपने लिए खड़े होके, if you are not standing up for yourself, so what will happen? Sadness. You will feel entrapped, you will feel caged, you will feel कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है, मतलब मेरे को ही इतना ज्यादा परेशानी हो रहा है, and all kind of emotions. So probably such person is coming in your life as a messenger. I think 2-3 days ago only I have shared a post in the group about soul contracts. Soul contracts are not always good contracts. So any person who comes in your life, जो आपको nag करता है, आपको गुस्सा दिलाता है, आपको ऐसी परिस्थितियों में डालता है जिसमें आप कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है यार, हेल्पलेस फील कर रहे हो, है ना, सैड फील कर रहे हो, गुस्से में फील कर रहे हो, वो इंसान आपको अपने लिए खड़ा होना सिखा रहा है. अगर सैडनेस आ रही है तो शायद वो सोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट आपको अपने लिए खड़ा होकर बोलना सिखा रहा है, या फिर मे बी उस सिचुएशन को चेंज करना. कहीं से तो कुछ तो हो सकता होगा ना डियर. हर सिचुएशन में कोई तो सोल्यूशन हो. मे बी वो सिचुएशन आपको होप सिखा रही है कि यार होप करो, मे बी पेशेंस सिखा रही है, मे बी इम्पेशेंस सिखा रही है। इम्पेशेंस भी बहुत अमेजिंग लेसन है। कई लोग बैठे ही रहते हैं, कोई एक्शन ही नहीं ले रहे, जी कुछ होगा, भगवान ही करेगा, भगवान ही करेगा। हमें भी तो कुछ करना है ना। तो यू हैव टू सी कि सैडनेस, व्हाट इज दिस सैडनेस टीचिंग यू।
हाँ, that's very valid.
हम्म।
Say in a case कि the other person is making accusations on you, कि वो आपके कैरेक्टर पे या आप पे कुछ accusation कर रहे हैं, और अगर आप उनके साथ रैशनलाइज करने की कोशिश करते हो कि या तो आप उनको सफाई दे रहे हो या आप उनको डिस्प्यूट कर रहे हो,
See guys, you
तो
have,
वो ज्यादा aggressive.
नहीं, I understand what you're saying, but you have to understand every situation will demand. For example, अगर आपको पता है कि ये बंदा बात करने लायक ही नहीं है, तो why do I use my energy? I can change this person or stop. I can have a protective barrier कि भैया मुझे इससे बात ही नहीं करनी. I have to make him interesting point of view कि हाँ ये इसका point of view है ना. Why is this person affecting you? Because somewhere you have made this person very important in your life, है ना. कुछ तो
Yes.
इम्पोर्टेंट किया है ना मैंने. So why is his problem, his questions, his remarks so important that I am feeling affected? कोई सड़क पे चलता चलता बंदा, anybody on the road, if they will say, hey, you are mad, will it affect you? You'll say, oh, I know what I am. So where are you not knowing your worth, that this person's words are affecting you? समझ रहे हो?
हम्म तो इस एनर्जी को कैसे चेंज करें, लाइक क्या ऐसा बोले अपने आप को या क्या क्लियरिंग करें कि इस पर्सन की सिग्निफिकेंस कम हो जाए लाइफ में?
Got it. So, darling, on my YouTube channel, there are rejection clearing loops. एक आप वो करना, because somewhere you have rejected yourself, है ना? That is why this person is coming as a reminder all the time to tell you that you are not important. You are not important. Guys, you have to understand. Manifestation का भी मैंने एक वो किया था session. आप देखना मेरे YouTube पर ही होगा. Anything which is coming out in your physical world, it's coming from your inner. मैनिफेस्टेशन मतलब मुझे अपनी दुनिया में जो कुछ भी होता हुआ दिख रहा है. आई जस्ट ओपन दिस बोर्ड एंड टीच यू ऑल. आपको शायद बेटर समझ में आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ये मैं हूं. दिस इज यू एंड दिस इज द यूनिवर्स गिविंग यू सिचुएशंस, सर्कमस्टांस एंड पीपल. या तो सिचुएशन होती है हमारी लाइफ में, ठीक है, या फिर पीपल होते हैं, या फिर सर्कमस्टांस. जो भी हम कहते हैं कि सर्कमस्टांस ही खराब थे, सिचुएशन खराब थी, या लोग खराब थे, है ना. यही तो तीन चीजें होती हैं दुनिया में. अब अगर मेरे यहाँ अंदर डाउट चल रहा है, इमोशन कौन सा चल रहा है मेरे अंदर कि यार मेरे को तो खुद ही पे डाउट है ना. मैं एग्जाम्पल दे रही हूँ, डाउट है, तो मैं यूनिवर्स को डाउट दे रही हूँ बार बार. तो यूनिवर्स मुझे कौन सी सिचुएशन देगा? डाउट वाली. क्योंकि जो हम बाहर देंगे वही यूनिवर्स देगा. तो हर इंसान, हर सिचुएशन, हर सर्कमस्टांस मुझे क्या बता रही है कि मेरे अंदर डाउट चल रहा है. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो मुझे बताएंगे कि तू गलत है यार. ऐसे सिचुएशन बन जाएगी जो बताएगी कि यार तुम्हारा ही गलती है. ऐसे सर्कमस्टांस. तो आज सबसे पहले, अच्छा एक और एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, इफ यू गाइज हैव टाइम. हम बैठते हैं और देखते हैं अपनी पूरी जिंदगी में क्या सिचुएशंस चल रही हैं यार. अभी जो चल रहा है मेरी दुनिया में, क्या चल रहा है, क्या मैं डाउट, मेरे को लोग आके क्या बोलते हैं कि मैं पागल हूँ, या वो मेरे को डाउट करते हैं, या मेरे को गुस्सा दिला रहे हैं, या मेरी सिचुएशन कैसी है, मेरे सर्कमस्टांसेस कैसे चल रहे हैं. हर एक चीज आपको बताएगी कि आपका अंदर का जो बिलीफ है ना, जो हम जैसे सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कहते हैं डियर, वो हमें दिखता नहीं है, लेकिन वही हमारी रियलिटी क्रिएट करे. मैनिफेस्टेशन मतलब कि जो ये है ना मैग्नेट, उसी नंबर का ये मैग्नेट आके अट्रैक्ट करे. मैग्नेट हमारा हार्ट है. अब हमारे हार्ट में मनी को लेके कुछ इमोशंस होंगे, हेल्थ को लेकर के कुछ इमोशंस होंगे, है ना, और रिलेशंस को लेके, लोगों की सिक्योरिटी को लेके, हर चीज में अगर मुझे अच्छी चीजें नहीं मिल रही हैं, मनी से रिलेटेड है, किसी से भी रिलेटेड, तो मेरे अंदर वो फियर है. सो डियर, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड कि चलो ये सैडनेस आ रही है, लेकिन ये मुझे सिखा क्या रही है, कहाँ पे मैं अपने आप को डाउट कर रही हूँ, कहाँ पे मैं अपने आप को फियर में हूँ, है ना. और उसको हटाने के लिए आप ईएफटी कर सकते हो. सोलर प्लेक्सस चक्र और सेक्रल चक्र की ईएफटी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे वो कर सकते हो. दैट इज अबाउट सेल्फ डाउट, रिजेक्शन, बीइंग पावरफुल, रिजेक्शन के लूप्स भी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल पे, या फिर आप कहीं से भी ले सकते हो, है ना। तो आजकल तो ये सारा मटेरियल इतना अवेलेबल है। वेयर एम आई डाउटिंग माई सेल्फ एंड वॉट इज राइट अबाउट दिस सिचुएशन डिमांड्स मी टू स्टैंड अप फॉर माई सेल्फ, दिस सिचुएशन डिमांड्स मी to respect myself, honor myself. What is the situation demanding me? है ना? You have to make a list, and then where am I not ready to be this energy? Where am I not ready to stand up for myself? Where am I not ready to बाट लगा दो दूसरों की? कहाँ मैं बस हाँ जी कर रही हूँ? लगाओ ना बाट, कई बार जरूरी होता है भाई, जाके लड़ाई करो। दुर्गा माँ भी तो हमारी एक वो है ना, गॉड। हमेशा हमें वो वाली माँ नहीं बनना कि हाँ अन्नपूर्णा तेरी, कभी कभी हमें दुर्गा बन के धाड़ना पड़ता है कि चल ना, निकल तू मेरी लाइफ से। सो यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट। Can you add this rejection loops in the cast? So I will add that in the description of this video. Okay. Yes, you wanted to ask, IP.
Thank you.
Welcome, dear. Yeah.
Yeah, I wanted to ask about this clearing loop.
Yes. So yeah, I will. Are you in my group?
Yeah, on the WhatsApp.
So I'll share it in the WhatsApp group as well. And when I upload this video, I'll put the link in the description. Okay.
On the WhatsApp.
On the WhatsApp as well as the YouTube video description link.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, dear. There are people who are joining now. I'm admitting that. Yes, Jyoti ji, you want to ask something?
No, I don't want to ask anything.
जी जी.
I want to say something.
Yes.
Like मैं ये बोलना चाहती हूँ, इतनी इंग्लिश अच्छी नहीं है, हिंदी में ही बोल
हाँ
लेती हूँ
जी, कोई बात.
कि आपने मेरी जिंदगी को ना मतलब कहाँ से कहाँ पहुंचा दिया। मैं इसके लिए आपको बहुत थैंकफुल होना चाहती हूँ, और मैं यहाँ बैठे लोगों को सबको बताना चाहती हूँ कि दिशा मैम के पास जो पावर है ना, उसको आप लोग बिल्कुल भी अंडर एस्टिमेट मत करना। मतलब लाइक सी इज लाइक अ गॉडेस ऑन अर्थ, यू कैन से। छोटी सच्ची प्यारी देखने में लगता है, खुशी है, लेकिन ये क्या चीज है ना, मतलब इनसे इनसे आप कोई भी काम कराओगे तो आपको पता चलेगा ये ना चीज है। मतलब इनके इनकी पावर्स को बिल्कुल भी अंडर एस्टिमेट करने की कोशिश मत करना, भूल मत करना। मतलब ये सी इज वेरी पावरफुल। लास्ट 1 साल से मैं इनसे जुड़ी हूँ, लेकिन मेनली इनके साथ मेरा 3 महीना से ज्यादा रिलेशनशिप हुआ है। और 3 महीने में ना इन्होंने मेरी जिंदगी में जो चेंजेस लेकर आए हैं, आई थिंक आने वाले कुछ महीने में इनके साथ ही रहने वाली हूँ और काफी चेंजेस लाने वाली हूँ अपनी लाइफ में। एंड आई विल बी रियली 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 थैंकफुल टू गॉड, द यूनिवर्स, जिन्होंने इनसे मुझे मिला दिया। एक्चुअली ये यूनिवर्स कॉल था जिन्होंने इनके साथ मुझे मिला दिया। एंड सी इज रियली चेंजिंग माई लाइफ। मैं एक शॉर्ट 2 लाइन में सिर्फ बोलना चाहूंगी। मेरे 21 साल का बेटा है जो 3.5 साल से कोमा में है, एंड वी आर फाइटिंग टुगेदर उसको कोमा से बाहर लाने के लिए। एंड आई विल टेल यू लाइक शी इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ गॉडेस कि वो कैसे उसको बाहर लेकर आए। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल फ्रॉम माई हार्ट। मेरा हार्ट चक्रा इतना ओपन हो रहा है ना, मुझे लग रहा है जैसे मेरी मतलब कहाँ दिशा मैम बैठी है पता नहीं, लेकिन मेरा पूरा रेज इनके यहाँ से उनके हार्ट तक जा रहा है, पूरा वहां तक जा रहा है। इतना इतना ब्रॉडन हो रहा है मेरा हार्ट चक्रा अभी। लाइक मैं इतना 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 सेटिस्फाइड फील कर रही हूँ इनसे काम करवाने के बाद, इनसे बात करने के बाद, इनके सजेशंस लेने के बाद। आई एम रियली थैंकफुल टू यू दिशा मैम, रियली थैंकफुल टू यू।
Thank you for
आप मेरे बच्चे की उम्र की हो, या लाइक अ बेटा टू मी, एंड आई एम रियली थैंकफुल यू बेटा, आई एम रियली थैंकफुल।
थैंक यू फॉर ट्रस्टिंग मी ज्योति जी। और हीलिंग में हमेशा वक्त लगता है, तो मैं सबको यही बोलती हूँ कि थोड़ा सा विश्वास रखो। एंड थैंक यू फॉर ट्रस्टिंग मी ज्योति जी, थैंक यू सो मच। एंड थैंक यू टू ऑल ऑफ यू whoever is here. एंड गाइज ट्रस्ट योर सेल्फ, क्योंकि जब हम खुद पे विश्वास करते हैं तभी हमारी सोल हमें सही हीलर, सही टीचर्स पर लेकर के जाती है। एंड आई होप दिस सेशन वुड कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट टू यू, बिकॉज मून साइकिल हम गर्ल्स के लिए तो बहुत अमेजिंग होती है, बिकॉज हम भी कहीं ना कहीं थैंक यू ज्योति जी फॉर शेयरिंग, देयर आर मैसेजिंग यू ऑल्सो। सो गाइस गर्ल्स के लिए, क्योंकि हम लोग साइकिकली बहुत इंटल्ज होते हैं मून एनर्जीज के साथ, मून लाइट के साथ, मून की पावर्स के साथ। तो जब हम न्यू मून और फुल मून का ध्यान रखते हैं ना, हमारी लाइफ भी वैसे मैनिफेस्ट होने लगती है। आज ना अपनी एक डायरी बनाना गाइस, और उस डायरी में आज से शुरुआत करना कि मुझे ये छोटी छोटी चीजें, क्योंकि कई बार हम बहुत सारी चीजें मांग लेते हैं जो हम खुद ही बिलीव नहीं कर रहे। बिलीव जिस चीज पे कर सकते हैं ना कि यार ये तो हो जाएगा, वो छोटी छोटी चीजों से मांगना शुरू करो। आस्क बनाओ अपना मैनिफेस्टेशन। फुल मून पे जो लिखना है, जो मैनिफेस्ट करना है, न्यू मून पे वो रिलीज करना है जो रिलीज करना है। सो ऐसे आप धीरे 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 ये करोगे ना, यू विल सी इन 6 months योर लाइफ विल चेंज, है ना? And I hope this session contributes to you, and lot of love to you. Thank you for trusting me and attending this session. And guys, if anybody wants to ask anything, we can answer that. Otherwise, we'll close. Anybody
Thank
wants to
you.
ask?
Good night.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Take care.